I would like to call upon every member and all South African citizens to take a moment to rededicate ourselves to honor and respect the Constitution passed by this House in December 1996.
Lolu bito lwaphemima Jordina Lutanje mengameli waphambilini we-ANC Jacob Zuma usanza kuphikisana netiphimiselo tenkantolo yemtsetfosisekelo letithi akayovela ngembi kwekhomishana lephenya ngekubanjwa kwembuso ngabhongwane. Le khomishana seyiya enkantolo yemtsetfosisekelo futhi njengobe ithi Zuma weqe umyalo wayo lenkantolo. Nyalo le khomishana ithi itawucela ukuthi nakalahlwa licala Zuma aboshwe.
This year we celebrate a milestone of 25 years of being one nation with our constitution as a supreme law of the land. Thina ANC siyawuhlonipha lo mgaqo siseko kwaye sizawukhusela ngamaxesha onke.
Emaqembu etepolitiki laphikisako eParliament ayayihlaba ke inkhuluma yamengameli Ramaphosa akhala kakhulu ngenkhohlakalo.
Aside from a few lines about COVID-19 and vaccines, this SONA was more or less the same as the one from 2018, 2019 and 2020. Any day now we're going to see a turnaround at Eskom. Any day now we're going to see that we're appointing qualified, proper people into the public service. And any day now the ANC really, truly this time are going to be serious about stamping out corruption. These have all been promised at multiple SONAs before, with very little evidence of progress.
It is evident now that the only thing the current NDPP was appointed for was to withdraw criminal charges against the rogue unit led by Jamnandas, which continues to control government and media to tell lies about president's opponents and project him as a demigod. We cannot ignore the allegations that some of the judges have received bribes through SSA Project Justice as well as from CR17 donations, which by all standards and measures amounted to massive corruption, money laundering and racketeering.
The problem is corruption. I know it, you know it, sir. South Africa knows it. The level of corruption and fraud that has assailed our fight against COVID-19 is unthinkable. It is seen by the world and felt by our people. With every death, a finger to blame falls on corruption.
Mengameli kulinzeleke ukuthi aphendvule ngelesine.